Imagine behaving like this at her age.
know how you can vote.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Shameful.
Are you the one that walks by here and always screaming at people?
No, I haven't walked by recently.
Okay, because a lot of people walk by and scream.
Yeah, I'm not surprised. You are voting for the devil. Don't you know that?
No,
Why are you voting for him?
because I believe he is the moral candidate.
Oh my God. You for that one.
That's
Moral?
exactly right. That's how your side acts.
Oh my God.
That's
He's
how
the
you
most
guys-
immoral person around.
In your opinion, that's
Oh,
okay. Yeah, I'm sorry. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. God bless you.
Black Jacket doesn't seem too thrilled for what's about to happen.
Don't even fucking move. Don't even fucking move, nigga. I see you. Don't fucking move. Don't even move. Nigga, don't move. Don't move. No cap. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Nigga, lay down, nigga. What the fuck wrong with you? Lay the fuck down. Nigga, lay your arms out. Lay your fucking arms out. Lay your arms out. Move your arms out, nigga. Move them out.
Is anybody else in the house?
Lay down. Lay down.
Stay safe out there.
Excuse me, I have a question for you. I have a question for you.
Go for it.
There's these people out here checking out your house, and I don't know if they know you or not, but I'm just out here just walking, and I'm patrolling for you, bro. But I don't know if you want to check it out, because there's a lot of people out here. I'm just trying to help you out. Is everything...
How would you react to seeing this?
I've been shot. I've been shot. My hand and my leg. Please help me. Please help me. I've been shot for real.
Hey, call 911.
Call 911. Acá el teléfono, corre.
Oh, yeah. All right, hold on, buddy. We'll take care of it. Go get me the phone.
What could go wrong? Just watch this. Some people are just bored. What's about to happen can't be real, surely. These next guys are out of control.
That's me. Is this yours? Yeah, I thought it was.
I'm so sorry about that.
It's all
what
good.
happened?
I get done with them all the time.
Oh my goodness, I'm sorry.
Did you?
Yeah, thank you.
We got porch pirates in every country. Some drivers are just lazy.
You're gonna love that. I don't even gotta get out of the truck. I'm just gonna throw it out the window. I'm gonna eat that bitch. Yeah, yeet.
Karma did not waste time with him. The boldness of pulling into the driveway. These types of people exist out there. Wash your hands and stay safe. Social anxiety. I think.
She's good at dogs.
Oh, I thought you got me to sit.
No. Yeah, I mean sit.
No, she has a good.
She's a good dog, but she just they like to run.
Oh.
So I'm trying to keep them from going out the door. And give them to listen better.
Oh.
Figure like.
Thank you, sir. I sincerely appreciate it. Enjoy your meal. Have a good night.
I don't trust this guy.
Can I help you? It's just I'm a home inspector. I have to verify your address. That's all. Who are you with? I'm a home. I'm a home inspector with Real Estate Resolution. I was just sent out to verify your address that it's occupied. That's all. It's for your insurance company.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You don't see this every day. What would you do if this was your package? These ladies got caught stealing this dog? How many do you think he's had?
Where's your key, mate?
Mate, there's no key.
What do you mean there's no key?
Mate, there's no fucking key.
Where have you been?
Down the pub.
You've been down the pub? What are you talking about down the pub?
That nightclub.
Where?
The West Ham fucking beat Arsenal. Come on, you aren't.
Wait, where you been?
Hey, down Gravesend.
Why?
I've been down there all the time.
With who?
Couple of mates. You know how it goes.
funny cunt. Okay, you ain't getting indoors, bro. No one's letting you in.
Wait, no cunts letting me in.
No one's letting you in. You're sleeping outside tonight.
Mate, I need to fucking ring the doorbell. She said she was leaving the key out. She ain't.
Are you sure she ain't?
No,
Have
no
you
key.
even checked?
No, there's no key. I'm looking.
Check on. Is the mat out?
Mate, I've got the mat in my hand, you cunt. Fucking
look at you, bro. I'm just out stranded. Fucking dickhead.
Wait.
Well, I'll watch you. I'll make sure you're safe. Don't worry. I'm checking your surroundings.
No. Put the phone down a minute. I'm gonna ring her. I'm gonna ring her again.
I'm not on the phone, you cunt. I'm on the doorbell.
Yeah. Hold on. It's a fucking ringer, ain't I?
Wait, let me look for the key, bro.
Oh. Any chance of me getting in this door? Okay. I think she's got the message.
She
Love you, Dan.
Alright, love ya.
Love ya. Bye.
Have a good night, bro. Bye.
Do y'all believe
comes
this?
in. It looks like it's forming. It goes through this like haze area. Look at the light. No. And what's that over there standing in front of that damn light? Look like a head and shoulders. Hold on. And look up there at the top above the house. It's like a whole plasma thing right there. Now I can understand like leaving a little trace or something as it walks, as he walks. But look. No, man. Come on. That's too much, y'all. That was too much. That was. Am I tripping? Am I tripping? So if I didn't zoom in, you wouldn't even see how it comes in. Cause as I'm watching this, trying to see what set the camera off, this is where I caught it right here. Cause I'm like, wait a minute. Did he just appear out of thin air? So it took me, like, I literally had to zoom all the way in to figure out where did he come from. Y'all. And as you notice, that light didn't do any more flickering. He came in good, y'all. Look how good he came in. Once he got right smack dead in front of the house. That's a spirit, yo. That's a whole entire spirit right there. It makes me think it's somebody that passed away over here. And he's just strolling down the street, taking a late night walk, 2:20, almost 3 o'clock in the morning. Y'all, man, I know it's October, but I wasn't ready for this one. Y'all let me know what your thoughts are on this video. Man, I don't even know if I can go back to sleep now.
These dogs had a pool party. He did more than just deliver a package.
Bye, buddy.
This dog is a grown man.